Hello, and welcome to the Lesson 7 case study for 7687 Configuring Windows 8.1. Okay, so something else you have to think about when you're moving to Windows 8.1 is that Windows 8.1 actually has two different versions or two different types of Internet Explorer browsers. You have the Start version of Windows Internet Explorer, and that one is Internet Explorer 11, and you have the Windows Internet Explorer for the desktop. So when you press the Start key or you press the Start button in Windows 8.1, you're going to have access to Internet Explorer 11. And that looks a lot different to the Windows Internet Explorer for the desktop that you access from the traditional desktop interface. So users may get confused about the features between both versions. The interfaces actually differ a lot. Windows 8.1 has the Start screen, which has access to that Internet Explorer 11 browser, and those features within that browser are optimized for touch control. Obviously, Windows Internet Explorer for the desktop, those features within that browser actually is optimized for a pointing device like a mouse. So users may have trouble using a mouse, say, within the Internet Explorer 11 that's accessed through the Start screen, and vice versa. Users may have trouble using their hands with the Windows Internet Explorer for the desktop. So that's some confusion that could occur. It could, so I think most of the confusion that will occur and can occur would really exist in the way the user uses the interface. So that's something that you really have to keep in mind if you're helping troubleshoot a user who's having trouble with one of those browsers. First of all, you have to find out what type of browser the user is using, whether it's the one that's available on the Start menu, Internet Explorer 11, or it's the Internet Explorer for the desktop. So those are some things to keep in mind as you read through this case study.